Here's a 1954 Mercury Monterey. This particular car was actually the Minnesota Street Rod Association, or MSRA, Custom Car of the Year. Very nice build. Has a 302 underneath the hood. That's paired with a C4 automatic transmission. Also very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, and best of all, air conditioning. Yes, AC does blow cold. Very smooth running and nice driving car. And take a look at how straight this baby is. Look down the side of that. Nice luster of the paint. It is a little older build, but this has held up very well over time. So it was done right to start with. Bright work on the car. Very nice shape from the bumpers to trim pieces. Riding on the wide whites. Custom cloth interior. It's a very, very nice example of a 54 Mercury Monterey. Shaved door handles, does have poppers in the key fob. Both doors do work. Custom popper for the trunk, or I should say lever for the trunk to open it, is underneath the driver's seat. You need to pop the trunk. There's a lever underneath the driver's seat. Kind of a cloth vinyl combination seat belts installed. Like I said, very nice car to get in, turn the key and go. Check out the underside pictures too. It does have a Nova front and rear end. You can check out those underside pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to assist you with transportation on this car to where you're located at, answer any questions you may have. Dual exhaust coming out the back, some pinstriping here in the trunk. Again, for the little older build, it is definitely a nice shape. Take a look at how straight this is down the driver's side too. Very tidy trunk. You can see that in the pictures as well. Slip around here to the driver's side so you can take a look at the interior. It does have floor mats. I'll install back in there. I kept them out so you'd see the carpeting, how nice a shape it is. Kind of a brown camel two-tone. Again, seats and everything, very nice shape. Great sounding car too. Love the dash in these. Has had a little later model gauges installed. VDL gauges, I believe they are. Yes. Just a cool setup on these 54 Mercs, how they ran the temperature and blower. Now that's down here where the AC's at. A retro style radio there. Wipers do work. Tried those out a little bit ago. Let's go ahead and start this car up so you can hear it run. A little gas. Old school hot rod sound. You can see the gauges do work. Assuming that water temp will come up once it warms up. All the other gauges are working. Odometer shows 33,536. That could be very easily the original miles since this car was redone. Let's go ahead and slip around back so you hear a little rumble out of that 302. Again, still pictures. Look how nice that door closes and fits. Again, still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Nice little rumble. Gotta have a little noise coming out of the street rod. Spotlights both sides, very cool touch. Again, you can see the bright work all around the car, also very nice. Just amazing how straight this car is. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here a second. We'll pop that hood so you can see the engine bay. Alright, there you go. There's the 302 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Setup. Ford powered in here. 350 small block or anything like that for you Ford Mercury guys. Like I said, prior MSRA for Minnesota Street Rod Association Custom of the Year, and it shows it's held up very well over time. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And of course, those still pictures, check them out. Undersides, trunk, interior, check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1954 Mercury Monterey